to my channel. So today I just thought I would make a really quick video because I thought I'd make a really quick video on how to set up this particular buttonhole. It is this one, the Singer 86662. I bought this off eBay. It is for a vintage sewing machine, and I bought this because I have problems with buttonholes, and I thought I would just quickly show you guys how to set it up, because I was actually when I was trying to figure this out, I was looking on YouTube and there was different buttonholes that are similar, but I just thought I would make this quickly because perhaps maybe someone in the world somewhere is looking for this exact one and I didn't find it on YouTube, or I found people using it, but I didn't think people putting it together. And it's actually quite simple once you realize, but it looks quite intimidating at first. So quickly, here we go. So I've got this plate. Comes with a little screw. And I lay that on the, I'm going to take you off the tripod so you can see. There's two holes there. So these instructions that I have is from looking up the manual or for this particular item online. So that's what I've followed. I will link that below so you can have a look at that too. But basically, I put that one in the closer one, not the further one. Don't know why. That's just what the instruction says to do. I'm gonna put the down because I want the plate to be in the middle. So this is just to cover the feed dogs, so that they. This is a bit hard to screw with one hand, but I will put you down. I'll screw that on, and I will. Okay, cool, so I've screwed that in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the foot by unscrewing the screw. I'm going to put that to the side. Might have to keep that, but it didn't work for me, but maybe it will for you. I thought may as well bring the foot up. So with this thing, you want to make sure the needle is in the middle of this hole here, not all the way on that side or all the way on that side. It's meant to be in the middle according to the manual. So I'm just going to attempt to bring up some. There we go. Alright, cool, got that. Put that to the side. Now, this part is a little difficult to do one-handed, so I'll have to put you on a tripod. So, with this buttonhole thing, you can look at other videos for how to actually do the buttonholes. I've seen videos on those, so that's not what this video is about. I'm just trying to show you how to put it on quickly because I couldn't find any, and this would have been helpful for me if I had it, but I didn't. So I've got this screw. Focus, please. Yep, and I am going to try and get you a better angle. So perhaps maybe you can see a bit better there. So yes, I'm going to get that screw that I was talking about. I'm going to get this foot contraption thingamabob, and there's this little which if you have used a buttonhole foot before on any other machine usually, or if perhaps you've used a walking foot, they might have one of these, this thing here. So that has to go attached to the needle. What do you call it? The needle. Not sure how well you can see that. This bit. The little bit where you screw the needle into. So, and then this piece here, see that screw? That's what we're going to screw onto the sewing machine where the foot used to be. So this is almost like a foot, a really giant scary foot. Make sure it's really tight. Cool. And simple as that. I really don't understand why it's having so much trouble focusing. Right there, mate. See, that's attached to the foot, where the foot would usually be, and this arm is attached to the needle bit. So this screw goes into the shank, you can see. So thanks for watching that. Hopefully my next video will be, I have been trying to test the sewing machine out. I've made a few buttonholes, I have made a bag, and I've made some masks with the sewing machine, testing it out. That will be my next video. I also, very soon, I was planning to do it this week, but I also am planning to do a video on a bodycon dress. I'm also doing the sew a top. I don't know what you call it, challenge or hashtag or group thing, which is a bunch of vloggers. They pick a top pattern to sew and they sew that pattern and then they release a video on that date, of the specific date, which I can't remember mine, but next month sometime I'll put the number there. But yeah, that's just a quick video for anyone who has got the same buttonhole foot and they didn't know how to put it on, because it's actually really easy, but when I first got it I was like, oh my god, this contraption, what is this? But it's actually really logical. I'll link those instructions that I found from Singer below. I'll link some videos I found about how to actually use it, because I am not an expert on that, but I have sewed a few buttonholes, tried it out, and hopefully I'll be making some garments with some buttonholes in it soon enough. But yeah, next video I'll be using the sewing machine, testing it out, testing different layers of fabric. Hopefully before the end of the week I'll have that out.